Let us solve this question based on the properties of triangles. This one question gets asked in so many different ways, but the concept is a very simple one. What you have is a small right triangle inside a bigger right triangle. So, to prove their similarity would be very easy. Why is that? Because you will have one common angle, which is this A, and then in each of these triangles you have a right angle. Here in the bigger triangle, the right angle is here. In the smaller triangle, the right angle is here. So, to prove their similarity by AA similarity rule, two angles being similar is very simple. But then the problem comes when you write down the name. Be very careful when you write down the names of triangles which are similar. Our bigger triangle is triangle ABC. Now, in the smaller triangle, what is the angle which corresponds to A? That is also A. That is the common angle. Here C is the right angle in the bigger triangle. In the smaller triangle, E. So, wherever you see E, these two should coincide. These two should be in the corresponding places. Now, what is the third vertex which is left? Which is just write it down. So, remember when you write down the similarity, be clear that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE and not AED. So, please be clear about that. Why is this important? When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, which means what? First two vertices, last two vertices, and then what? The first and the third in both cases. There, you have such a ratio involving 6 quantities. What all do you know? You know what BC is? It is 12. You don't know what DE is, leave it as it is. You know what AC is, it is 5. You do not know what AE is, leave that also. Now, what about AB? Do you know what AB is? AB is the hypotenuse of the big triangle ABC, which means what? AB is equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of other two sides. One side is 12 square, other side is 5 square. So that means what? It is square root of 169, which is what? 13. So here it is 13 and AD is 3. Now you can find out the answer, right? There, solving the equations, you get DE is 36 by 13 and AE is what? 15 by 13. So that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.